Hello everyone. You've already used Explain Everything for your first project, and so you are going to use it again for your second project. Let me go over what your second project is going to be about. It is going to be about everyone's favorite topic, which is grammar explanations. Now you can see I'm writing this freehand. If you don't have the same little tool that I have for that, you can also do typing in your project. That's perfectly fine. So what's going to happen? Well, let me show you. Number one, you're going to get a slip of paper. This paper is going to have your group's topic. It will also have general help ideas, but of course not too much. All right? What are you going to do then? Well, what you're going to do is going to put together a presentation on Explain Everything. And eventually this will go to be a video on YouTube. That's right, a video on YouTube. You heard me correctly. All right, so what are some of the things you're going to be doing? Well, let's put it this way. We are going to have a summary of how the grammar works. That means you will explain it completely. The next question, I guess, is how? Okay, well, with the help of the sites from yesterday, and, of course, with grammar books. In the ELC. 3 books. What do I mean by 3 books? Well, first of all, let me show you what I'm talking about. You're going to put together your understanding of the grammar. Which grammar? Well, good question. You will choose a paper with that information. Okay, so what next? Well, what you're going to do is the general explanation you're going to give 3 examples from a book. Yes, that means copy-paste. And 3 examples of your own. Okay, and then what? Well, then what you're going to do is you are going to then compare how 3 books explain the grammar. How are you going to do that? Take a photo of how they explain it. Comment on that. So what I mean is easy to understand, for example. Good examples, things like that. Then you will take photos and import them. Import, that's not a very good R, them, like this. When you bring them in, it might be too big for the size on the page. So what you do is you use your fingers to pinch it to a smaller size, or you can even move it around to a different spot on the screen. Say maybe you want to put it up here, and then you want to put your text down on the side. However you want to actually put that, okay? Then you can point out things to people using our arrow, of course. So you can put an arrow here. All right, whoops, we want to put that up this way, and that's not going to turn, so I'm going to erase that one. I'm going to erase that, erase it, and it's gone. I'm going to make sure I start from the right way. And make it smaller. All right, again, to make it smaller, you make pinching it, okay? And make sure you go back to pen and you put down examples. All right. And then you're going to have one that says rules. Things like that. All right. Play around with it. I'm not looking for anything really special. I just want to see that you actually do help the people understand what they are looking at it. All right, next one, you are going to then tell us, what do you like and what don't you like? Do the same for each book. Doesn't have to be all rules. Okay, just keep that in mind. Doesn't have to be all rules. All right. And you're going to give advice to others on which book you think can help a student learn the easiest. All this goes together into a presentation. And then we're going to share it. And we're going to use it to do worksheets. Yeah, that's it. I'll get more to you about how we're going to do that later on. Okay? Anyway, it's going to be fun. Do your best. I know you will. You'll be very serious and focused because there's a lot of stuff to do here. But this is mostly grammar from 010, 020. So we really do need to know it because it is on all the grammar tests. All right, talk to you later.